Getting a quote for new windows and doors is easier than ever. All you need to do is measure your existing windows and doors, and then set up a virtual meeting with your local Marvin representative. Not sure how to measure? It's easy. Here's how. To get started, print Marvin's project measurements form. You can use this form to record the measurements as you go. There's no need to remove any blinds or shades. You'll be able to work around them. And don't worry about being perfect. These instructions are designed to capture just the basic measurements. Window and door measurements are always recorded width first and then height. So start by measuring the width. From the inside of your home, use a tape measure and measure the distance from the inner edge of one side jamb to the other. Once you've determined the distance, round up to the nearest inch and record your measurement. Next, determine the height of the window by measuring the distance between the windowsill and the head jamb. It's helpful to have assistance when measuring larger windows and doors. The process of finding the width of a door is the same as a window. Simply measure the distance from the inner edge of one side jamb to the other. To find the height of a door, measure the distance between the floor or threshold and the head jamb. Your local Marvin representative can virtually help you measure any specialty-shaped window or door you may have. If you do choose Marvin for your home improvement project, a friendly and knowledgeable window and door expert will confirm all measurements before ordering your new windows and doors. Have a question? Contact your local Marvin expert. They're here to help.